whiskey, ground point, niner.
19 right, whiskey, point 9 char, 3 to 1.
302, contact departure.
Recheck the you take intersection Bravo 1. Have a departure. 6 right at Bravo 1. We're picked up 19 right, citation 609. 1652 by chance, you have Bravo 1 intersection numbers. 1652, 26 right, hold short 26 right at Bravo 1.
November, contact departure 125.9er.
5.9er, 32 November 6.
Bridge 1806, it's got a release from you.
Turns 1806, we'll be ready for takeoff thrust in about 1 minute.
Rogers, let me know when you're ready then. Could you have Sarah Mike advise on the turn, please?
Roger, I'll keep you advised. Blue 378, okay, thanks, I'll keep you advised, thanks guys. Spirit Wings 1806 is ready for departure.
Sarah Mike, contact departure.
Departure 9.
Jan 10, crossway 19 right at Sierra, ground point 9er, traffic stolen.
Cross 19 right, then ground point 9er, Jan 10.
Sarah Mike, you're still on tower departures on 133.95. 899 tower.
Go ahead, 899, sir.
Run 899 cross, running 1 on the right, taxi 2, running 1 on the left.
Runway 19 right and horizontal runway 19 left.
Bravo 1, line up plate. Runway 26 right, Bravo 1, 0. Bend 2 1, hold short runway 26 right at Bravo 1. We were cleared to cross, are we still cleared to cross?
Affirmative. Crossway 1 on the right, taxi 2, running 1 on the left.
Clear cross 19 right, taxi 2, hold short 19 left, Rockband 899.
Yes, sir. Flight 710 tower.
We're up with you, ready.
Flight 710, that whiskey, crossway 1 on our left and runway 1 on our right, then ground point 9er on the other side. Keep the speed up, please.
Speed up whiskey 19 left and 19 right, we'll go over to point 1, drive 710 on your side.
Point 9 on the other side, please.
Point 9 other side, 710.
Name on Vegas Happy on 40 Alpha, it is 4 East, Bravo 3000, thank you Bravo for the call though.
40 Alpha, radar contact, clear Bravo.
Bravo 40 Alpha. Traffic inbound of the 19. The 432, contact departure 1259er. Okay, Flex 432.
Jet 432 is 4.2, climbing via.
432 departure again, 1259er.
Sequence for us.
Spring 6, what's the cost then?
1687.
Spring 1687. Yeah, you're way back in the line there, sir. I don't know what your sequence. You're probably number 15 in line.
Tower, Happy out 07 Alpha 4 Northeast Lava View. I got 3000 for the Colville with Bravo.
FM 07 Alpha, radar contact, clear Colville.
Colville 07 Alpha. 95 Alpha 6, hold short runway 26 right. Alpha 6, short of the 26 right, clear wing 1395. Blue 378, runway 26 right, hold short 26 right of Bravo 1, JetBlue 378.
378, right,
Plus 6000, visual 26 left. 6009, Las Vegas Tower, wind 20014, wind 26 left, clear to land. 26 left, clear to land, Southwest 6009.
Yeah, 48, change to runway 1 on our left, runway 1 on our left, clear to land.
19 left, clear to land, can't afford.
Fly runway heading, runway 26 right, Bravo 1, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff. Takeoff 26 right, Bravo 1, fly runway heading. 26 right, Bravo 1, line up away.
26 right, Bravo 1, line up away.
Range 1466.
Perfect.
You're probably number 20.
Okay, thanks. 52, contact departure. Departure 1652.
You're shortly, there's traffic off across the runway.
Traffic departure going to be at Pilatus. They're going to be turning southbound shortly. Wind 20014, wind 26 right, Bravo 1, clear for takeoff. No delay on the roll.
26 right, Bravo 1, clear for takeoff, 278.
Hold short, runway 1 on the right.
Mr. Juliet, hold short 19 right, 522 kilo tango.
You appreciate it.
My pleasure.
It's 1806, you think you'll be ready?
Yeah, we code you. Start wing is 1806, he's ready.
You just have one more route and I'll get you going.
For that.
259er.
259, wing.
Hold short of Lima, please.
0 hold short of Lima, Spirit wing 1466.
Legion 52, sir.
52.
Hold right there, get numbers for 19 left of Lima.
We got the numbers for Lima for Legion 52.
Yep.
Well, 378 contact, support traffic safe. 19 left, line up from Wayne, Spirit wing 1806. Hey, that's a from Roger 1938.
On the right, cliff takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 19 right, XOJet 726.
2 Kilo Tango, runway 1 on the right at Juliet, line up and wait.
Out of Kuwait 19 right at Juliet 522 kilo tango.
48 right turn whiskey, hold short, runway 1 on the right. Turn whiskey, hold short, runway 1 on the right, got it. Sorry.
Our Spirit wing 1466, is it okay if we shut down the engines here, short of Lima?
Not yet, sir. I might get you out here pretty shortly. Not yet. I'll let you know.
Okay, thank you.
It's 1806, runway 1 under left, clear for takeoff.